Today, let's talk about one of the biggest challenges in the PP woven bag industry: high manpower dependency and rising operational costs. Traditional manufacturing processes require large numbers of workers for cutting, stitching, liner insertion, printing, and finishing operations. Managing manpower, labor shortages, operator skill variations, and production delays directly affects productivity and profitability. One of the biggest challenges in the industry today is lack of manpower availability. Even when factory owners are ready to pay higher salaries, finding unskilled labor for continuous production operations has become extremely difficult. But today, the industry is moving towards automation. Modern conversion machines can now perform the work of 30 to 40 workers replace with a single trained operator. Processes like cutting, folding, stitching, liner insertion, and top hemming, stacking, and finishing are now integrated into automated systems. This helps manufacturers reduce manpower dependency, human errors, wastage, production delays, and operational stress. At the same time, automation improves production speed, product consistency, delivery performance, space utilization, profit margins. Modern machines also combine multiple operations into one compact system, reducing factory space requirements and simplifying production flow. Instead of focusing on labor management, manufacturers can focus more on business growth, exports, product quality, branding, and customer expansion. The future of the PP woven bag industry belongs to manufacturers who upgrade with smart machinery and efficient automated systems.